Hello and welcome to the course Manifestation 101 with Mars AKA Cupid. Before we begin, I want to emphasize three major things that I will go into deeper in later videos. 1. Trial and error. 2. Affirmation. 3. Belief. These are some of the most important things to consider when manifesting. Your belief system might very well be everything. Enjoy the course. Subscribe and like if you learned something, please, and thank you. I am not a professional. I wish that quantifiable data on manifestation was more abundant. However, as a practicer, I can tell you that it works, and as such I'm only sharing my philosophy, which is heavily based and coinciding with what little scientific data there is. Please consult a medical or otherwise professional or authority figure if you are experiencing serious, harmful conditions and reality. Seek a professional, please, for my sake. Alright. Before we begin, I would like to say that this will most likely not be perfect. Official, documented, quantifiable data about manifestation is extremely hard to get your hands on unless you are like me and use it daily. Hello, let's jump right in. There are dimensions here that I want to talk about, the 3D and the dimensions that encompass it. I will be combining the dimensions of space into one for simplicity purposes. Let x equals time and y equals space. 0, 0 is the present moment in space-time. This Cartesian grid system is very important for the course and easily learned. Just let, again, x equals time and y equals space. There is some algebra in this slide, as I want to show you that the past is before the present moment potentially infinitely, and the future is everything that takes place after the present. Here we see the basic x and y grid, but with another dimension, the dimensions of consciousness. For simplicity's sake, the dimensions of consciousness are combined into one omega. Think of a manifestation as something originating from this dimension, with varying degrees of spatial data ranging and going from none to fulfillment. Frequency can be defined as the amalgamation of someone's thoughts, beliefs, feelings, etc. Positive frequency attracts your desired frequency, state of being / frequency that is the state of wish fulfilled, and that could make sense because the more positive value, the more space and energy it takes up. For example, let's say you want a pink scarf. Manifesting the pink scarf would look something like, perhaps at first a negative value, with lack and limiting beliefs, followed by the onset of positive frequency such as love, joy, etc., boosting the pink scarf's spatial qualities in your reality. The vibration you give off is basically either negative, positive, or neutral. For manifestation purposes, neutral and or positive energy is preferred. One thing about frequencies are that they attract what they are and frequently snowball. We see this with the number 888, commonplace in belief systems, which states that life is a cycle and positive events spur other positive events, negative events spur negative events, and so forth. The more negative your frequency, the more separated you are from your manifestation and the oneness that is all of us. We are all one, and our egos separate us. Is your energy toward your manifestation positive or negative? Have you noticed that negative energy attracts more negative energy? I'm not judging, I'm human too. Pay attention to your thoughts, general frequency, and your beliefs about manifestation. According to CIA documents and my own personal experience with manifestation, I truly do believe the universe is shaped like a torus, with the vacuum space being at the center, projecting our thoughts into realities and consciousness into fillable space, creating space. Boom, there is the shape of the universe according to CIA documents. You find all of this data by the CIA by looking up hemisync, which I will go into deeper in more advanced course.